start freezing up then.
Watch this car overtaking the bus.
Left turn, please. Try not to just stare at them. Stop a second. There's a car. Off we go.
Have a look at this guy in the left lane. He's got in the wrong lane, but he's also on his phone.
You're still on your phone, buddy?
The Mercedes is the one to watch in this clip.
That was a shock, wasn't it?
Have a look at this clip, and especially the vehicles from the opposite way, where the lorry is from the oncoming traffic. No surprise it's a taxi again.
And this road's obviously a good section because it's quite tough for the 20 limit, and then people still overtake even where young Bobby got killed. He obviously doesn't care in the slightest. Any questions with this one, Shane? You alright dealing with it? Perfect thought. Did you hear that as well, Les? I asked Shane any thoughts, and he said let the bus move a bit. So what's that saying to you from Shane's response? He's trying to see more. Which, great. Yeah, be all and end all.
Yeah, see more happen.
Right.
Oh, fun.
Oh, funny.
Absolute.
They're good, aren't they? You're telling me not great, you feel nervous, that sounded terrible. But I like your reaction, a little bit nervous. Were you like really scared and oh my god with him? Or did you feel quite in control?
Yeah, because when I slowed down I was like, just let him go. And then just deal with it. So.
See whether people can get onto the Audi on the roundabout that does a left turn from the right lane.
right lane to turn left in as well.
And we haven't finished with this roundabout yet.
And Dom, try not to look where we point. How do you leave? You're quite lucky there. Should have maybe held back before the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because where you were committed to doing that was a good manoeuvre. See that one? Oh, amazing. Quality.
Yeah, I should have held back, shouldn't I?
Should have held back. Try not to look where we point. Try not where?
Yeah.
Try not where we
Yeah.
want to go.
Oh, do I have to go behind someone, or is he just... So I just sit here?
Good.
Was that me? Was that me?
No. Give him a business card! Funny. You did ever so well. The fella was unbelievable.
Because I didn't even know what was going on there. I can't believe that was the first time you were going to let me do it, and then that I was just like, do I just sit here
I
or
didn't
what?
help much either, did I?
You just laughed. You were...
Those fellas in the van were
I saw one of them go.
were buzzing off him as well. Funny.
Amazing reaction from the kid on the left.
Classic. You try and save someone's life and they stick two fingers up at you. Stay calm. That's a lethal overtake there. Jeez. That's not a red light. I don't know what it is. Not a taxi.
Yeah.
Surprised he's not going through that one as well,
Yeah.
to be honest. That's awful. So off the brake. Yeah, off the brake. Keep going. Off the brake, definitely. We've got to keep up with the traffic here so we can sort of fit in with them. Unless you're
Expert driver.
like the Audi. Okay, how do you do that? Yeah, good. Well done, mate. Perfect.
Do you think the lights have changed at the side? This van on the left has obviously been to a job, and it looks as though it's trying to reverse back out so it can fit into the traffic. To be honest, everything was going fine, but then he just gets a little rush of blood.
To be honest, how are you going to deal with this as well? How are you going to deal with the...
I'll just let him go.
Where's that van going? Is he seriously just going to drive round He's just going to drive on the pavement to go down there. Funny. We need to tell people.
Yeah.
Good. Good. Now slow it down. Press the horn once. Good. And now stop. Exit road.
Yeah.
What now? Come on. People are boss, aren't they?
Yeah.
Have a touch of head movement.
What a silly young chap.
And then he breaks.
It's called small penis syndrome, that, mate.
That's why I never do it.
And now I drive so slow, me.
I crawl.
Thanks a lot for watching and supporting my channel. If you're interested in any of the gear that I use on my videos, please have a look and click on the links below.